Today I will show you Rubik's Cube collection, which is worth more than $3,000. So let's start. That's my first cube, gun cube, which is worth around $60. So let's start it. Okay, next one is giant cube, which is worth around $100. And next one, we got also big 3x3 cube. Another one, it's the most expensive Rubik's Cube in the market at the moment, which is worth $1,500. 21 by 21, actually the biggest Rubik's Cube. Okay, another one is Petamix. Probably it's worth around $100, maybe $150. 15 by 15 from Moyo, which is worth around $250. Okay, now I show you my V-Cube collection, which is V-Sphere. Probably that collection is worth like $200. All of it, maybe a little bit more. A little bit more, I think it's over there. So I just put on the back, it's 3x3 all of them. Okay, I think it's that last one, which is 7x7. I can put over here. Okay, next one maybe we start with 9x9, no, 11x11, 10x10, and I think that is 9x9 and 8x8, followed by we got 7x7. So all of those is worth probably like $300. Got 6x6, 5x5. That is treasure. 3x3 is quite a big Rubik's Cube compared to normal. Okay, got one more from V-Cube. Tiny cube. Okay, next one I got Kilomix and Megamix, which is family with that Petamix. Okay, next one going to be Smart Cube, which is Go Cube. It costs around, I think, $30-40. Okay, so from that family we got Rubik's connected, gun, another gun, and my social media cubes from V-Cube as well. So that is like TikTok logo, and that's where I'm from, guys, from Poland. Okay, next one I got, I don't know how it's called, that cube, but this is from like Pyramids companies, and I had summer Pyramids as well. I don't know, yeah, here we go. So here, another one. Okay, maybe next one I will take out all three notes. We got 4x4 next one, and now we take out all 3x3, different shape. So all of them is 3x3. And we got mirror cube as well. That crazy cube. That is Lego cube. I put over here another 3x3, more 3x3s. So we got 2x2 now. Actually, that is Infinity cube, but also that is called Star Cube, guys. It's doing crazy things like that, and we got stars. Also, we put together, and we got 2x2. So that is funny cube as well. Okay, we take out more 3x3s, that is 2x3x3. We got mirror cube colorful, another 3x3. 2x3x3, and now maybe I take 2x2 out. That is Go Cube 2x2. I think it's the most cutest cube in the world, guys. That 2x2. Okay, that is my broken 2x2, first of my cube. 2x2x3, it's tower cube. another 3x3. We got spinner cube, and also we got fidget spinner cube as well, and another one. We got more funny, different shape and different cubes. This jerk cube, gun 2x2. Okay, what else we got? Another one. That is really strange cubes, guys. Really hard to solve. I don't know how they call at the moment. It's too many of them. Okay, another 3x3. That is GeoBander cube. So basically, so you can open it and make shape. Come on, like this. And you can put together, but I don't know how. Here we go. Maybe I put somewhere over there. Okay, now times for my snake cubes. So that is snake cubes. That is small one, snake cube. Of course, I make out dogs. Got bigger one and the biggest one. Okay, also I get cube like this. And where is my small collection of the cubes? Okay, so that is infinity cube. Also it's work. It's never end, it's very relaxing. Here we go. Maybe I have to move in space. Also I get 1x1, which is also fidget toy. A lot 1x1. 3x3s, small one. And another small 3x3. And last one, but not least, of course, the small Rubik's cube, the tiny one, which is really working, as you can see. Okay guys, I think that's it. So this is my Rubik's cube collection, which is worth around $3,000, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, but yeah, that's all what I got at the moment. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. If yes, please subscribe, share with your friends, put some comments below, and see you to the next video. Bye bye.